Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think this is very likely an ABC of wave Y, which is part of this three waves of W, three waves of X, and three waves of Y pattern. I still think it's more likely it probably will eventually go up and take out these highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, that tells us that this most likely is a wave A of the wave Y. This is a WXY, which is a wave B of the wave Y. Nice five waves up right here, most likely a wave 1. Most likely this is an ABC of 2, and I think we're already in that wave 3. We are sitting at the 78%, which may cause a bounce, but even if it does, I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of this big giant wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm pretty convinced that this is already in a wave 3 of 3. I think this is 5 waves up of 1. I think we already have an ABC of 2. I think that we are most likely in an uptrend that is very likely not to be over. We are at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. We do have CPI interest rate coming out today for the US dollar, which is going to be very, very volatile for the dollar, I would imagine. Maybe it will cause a push down, but even if it does cause a push down, I really am confident that we're in a wave 3 and that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape going on here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right up to a Fibonacci retracement level on the daily time frame. With the big news that we got coming out today, you would expect it to go down, probably even take out structure, which I think probably is the most obvious thing, especially if you're looking at the sort of time frames. Now, there's something about this today that really makes me think that maybe it's just going to go down, do like a, bear trap, try to trap everybody in a cell and then just blow up and just keep on trending up. Mostly because I believe we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time phase, and if this is a wave 3, then this is the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So I'm definitely still very bullish unless it goes down and breaks structure. I'm definitely still very, very bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Even on the 1 hour time frame, we have that kind of 3, 4, 5 shape right here. So I do think it is going to try to make some sort of a move down today at the news, most likely. Now, if it goes down, if it breaks structure, that doesn't even tell us anything is over. It's this structure level way down here that would tell us that that whole trend on the higher time frames is over. So even if it does go down, even if it does break this structure, it really doesn't tell us anything at all except for that this last series of higher highs, is higher lows is over. It very, very easily could make another three-way pullback, or it could just do like a spike reversal, go down, trap everybody in a sort, then just take off to the upside. I am always very, very bullish when the trend is up on basically every single higher time frame. I always lean towards the trend continuation patterns. I think we're in a wave 3, and a wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so I'm definitely still very bullish. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.